What's up everyone, it's Allison. For this workout, we're doing a 15-minute AMRAP circuit. But before we begin, make sure to tap that subscribe button and tap the bell to stay notified with the latest fitness videos. AMRAP stands for as many rounds as possible. We'll be working 3 blocks containing 3 exercises each. Each movement will be completed for 10 repetitions and we'll repeat it as many times as we can within a 5-minute circuit. All you need is a moderate or heavy pair of dumbbells and a mat. So grab your equipment and some water and let's get started. Here are your exercises for the first circuit. The first move is a bicep curl to overhead press. Grabbing your moderate or heavy weights, we're going to have those feet about shoulder width apart, soft bend in the knees, core is tight. Roll the shoulders back. We perform a basic bicep curl, flip the palms overhead, extend for the overhead press, bring it down, and then lower. Lift up, overhead, down, and lower. For the second exercise, we're doing lateral squat jumps. For this one, have a little bit of space. We perform 1 squat, pop up, squat down other side. Making sure those toes and knees are facing forward in line with soft feet, soft knees. If you need to take this down a notch, remove that hop. We'll do 10 on each side. And for the third exercise, we're doing alternating front lunges with opposite arm raises. So for this move, we start with the palms in, we extend, 1 arm up, 1 arm down, bring it back center, repeat other side, down and up. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. But we're gonna run till the end and we run without shame. We own the game and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. exercises for circuit number 2. Kicking it off is a traveling curtsy lunge. Go ahead and start with one leg crossing back, lunge, feet out wide, squat, and then repeat other side. This is a slow and fluid movement. We'll do 10 total. For the second exercise, we're combining a Romanian deadlift to front raise. Start with those feet together with the knees soft, abs are tight, shoulder rolled back. Now from here, we perform your Romanian deadlift, and then we come up, front raise lift. Inhale down, shift towards the toes, keep the knees soft, lift up, shift to the heels, perform that front raise. And for that third move, we're doing alternating weighted knee smashes. Holding one weight horizontally, start with those feet shoulder width apart, engage the core. We're pulling in diagonal, step the foot down, other side. Keeping the abs tight and standing tall. your third and final circuit, we're kicking it off with the high plank renegade row to tricep extension. Now for this move, we're gonna go ahead and have our hands on top of the weights, and I want a little bit heavier for this, but it's totally up to you. You're on your toes or your knees, core is engaged, pull the shoulders back. With the abs tight, row, kick back, row, kick back. And we're doing 10 total. And for that second move, we're doing a set of chest press crunches. Grab your moderate or heavy weights and lie all the way down. With the feet flat and the knees bent, palms face the ceiling, inhale, exhale, crunch up, perform your chest press, inhale, lower down. Exhale, lift, inhale, lower. If you're not feeling the crunch, focus on the chest press. And for that third and final move, we're doing a set of hesitation mountain climbers. Now for this one, assume a high plank position. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, hold. We're doing this 10 times.
You were passing by, surrounded by all those butterflies. Suddenly they flew right in my heart. Must have looked like a living piece of art. From that moment I knew that it would be you. Yeah, from that moment I knew it could only be you. I wrote your name up on my wall, circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone. Circled in an arrow heart. Somehow you made me feel whole. I wouldn't have to be alone. No, I would never be alone. No, I would never be alone.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Great job on completing this workout. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out my Instagram at Allyfitatl for more daily workouts.